Welcome to Strong as a Mother. Before we dive in and get started, there's some lingo you definitely need to know. First, we're going to start with EMOM. What the hell is an EMOM? And you're going to see this a lot throughout your program. EMOM stands for every minute on the minute, and there's different ways we can use this. I find that EMOMs are such an efficient way to get a lot of work done in a limited amount of time. So basically, what this means is every minute you're either going to be given an exercise or you might do a bunch of exercises in a given time frame. Maybe it's 2 minutes, maybe it's 90 seconds. So what this looks like is, let's start with the one exercise per minute, okay? You're going to see this even in this first month of training. So you might have 12 deadlifts, 12 reps of deadlifts. You might see 12 reps of push-ups for simplicity. Let's do that. And let's say 12 sit-ups. I will have in the rep range 12 and then rest the remainder of that minute. Now, in the instructions for each workout, you're going to see this broken down and explained a little bit more clearly. So if it's an EMOM, it'll say the 4 sets of these given exercises, but you're given 1 minute to complete 12 deadlifts. Then you're going to rest the remainder of that minute and go to the next exercise, which might be, let's say, a sit-up. You're going to do 12 sit-ups the next minute and rest the remainder of that minute, and then do the next exercise. Maybe it's a pull-up. 12 pull-ups, you're not given pull-ups, but 12 pull-ups, and rest the remainder of the minute. Then you're going to repeat and go back to the deadlifts. This means that you're for sure, if you have, let's say, 3 sets of these 3 exercises, you're for sure going to get it done in 9 minutes because you're given 1 minute per exercise and you're doing it three sets, right? 3 times. So again, you know exactly how long this is going to take you. And that's why I love it, especially being a busy mom with toddlers running around or whatever. So if you have questions on that, always message in the group. I'm sure someone else might have the same question as you. Another way you can see an EMOM is if it says E2 mom. So you're going to need a timer on hand for all of this, okay? Start on your phone or whatever. So if it's an E2 mom, let's say in the instructions it says you're going to complete all exercises in this set in 2 minutes. So let's say you have the deadlifts, the sit-ups, and the, push-ups, and you're given the rep ranges. Let's say it's 12 reps of each one. You're going to go and do 12 deadlifts, 12 sit-ups, 12 push-ups, and then you're going to rest the remainder of the 2 minutes that you're given. After your rest, once the 2 minutes is up, you're going to repeat those 3 exercises again, and again, rest the rest of the next 2 minutes. So set a timer for 2 minutes or just have a timer running. You're going to do all 3 exercises, rest the remainder of the 2 minutes. On the top of the next 2 minutes, you do it again and again, however many sets are given. If there's 4 sets given, then you know it's going to take 8 minutes exactly to get your workout done. If you're given 3 sets, it's going to take you 6 minutes, right? So again, if you have questions on this, you'll see this. Again, you might see 90-second EMOMs. You might see 12-minute, not 12-minute. You might see 90-second EMOMs, E2 moms where it's 2 minutes. You might see 3 E3 moms. You'll see a lot of different ways this can be used. And again, if you're ever confused, if you're ever unsure, don't guess your way through it. I'm here for a reason. You can ask me anything. There's no stupid questions. So just hop into the group chat, tag me at Liz, whatever, and ask the questions that you have. That's what I'm here for. So dive in, go look at your workouts, see if you have any questions before you get started for the week. And if you do have questions, ask them.